In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable motion and light sensors in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is helpful if you want more control over your privacy, reduce website access to device sensors, or simply turn off permissions you do not need while browsing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dot menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where you can control all of Edge's browser options and permissions. Inside the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section manages browsing privacy, tracking prevention, and a number of security-related settings. Now scroll down until you find Site Permissions. Click on it because this is where Edge controls what websites are allowed to access, including things like camera, microphone, location, and sensor permissions. On the Site Permissions page, select All Permissions. This will show you the full list of permissions that websites may request. Scroll through the list until you find Motion and Light Sensors. Click on that option to open its settings. Once you're inside the Motion and Light Sensors page, you'll see a switch at the top. Toggle the switch to the off position. Turning this off disables websites from using motion and light sensors in Edge. That means sites will no longer be able to access this sensor data while you browse. If the setting was already off, then you're good to go. If not, switching it off only takes a second and gives you a little extra privacy and control over your browser. And that's it. You've successfully disabled motion and light sensors in Edge. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.